Hello, it's Ted Corless with the Corless Barfield Trial Group. I'm here with Johnny Buzinski from Florida Ramjack about a Land O'Lakes sinkhole that opened up, and it looks like a big one. Johnny, let's take a look at this. This is in Land O'Lakes and happened earlier this morning. Johnny, tell me what we're looking at.
Well, Ted, it looks to me that this is caused from water, and it's probably from a man-made source. It's probably a main water line or a septic line that's broken. That foam, to me, sort of looks like septic, raw sewage, whatever. And obviously this is spreading out, and it's still flowing. So that's a lot of water, or it's not coming up from the ground naturally. This is coming from probably a man-made source.
All right, well, so there's a couple of insurance companies that are going to be involved in this. They're going to want to answer this question. Can you fix something like this? Can you fix these houses and put them back?
Well, that house is pretty much gone, really they're going to have to get rid of, if that's raw sewage, get rid of that and treat the soil. If it's water, it'll percolate and they'll backfill it. The way that house was repaired in 2014, that was a previous sinkhole home, was with compaction grout.
All right, so hold on a second. You're saying this particular house where this has happened had been repaired for sinkhole activity before?
That's correct.
And what was the method they used to repair it?
It was done by one of my competitors, and I assume it was compaction grouting, which is what the insurance companies were recommending to fill voids subsurface.
All right, well, and tell me, how would you and Ramjack go about fixing a problem like that?
Well, we've always believed in underpins and helicals because you're actually supporting the structure, and we've actually had to go into buildings where we've underpinned them. They've actually sucked the soil out because it got contaminated with oil. And so, there'll be the structure standing there on helicals and piers in the ground while the sand's there. So in this case, the house may have stayed. It depends on how deep that void really went.
Or you're saying that if they had pinned this, at least it might have had a chance, but I don't know. That's pretty bad.
It's pretty bad, yeah.
That's pretty bad. Well, we're going to continue to monitor this situation, and Johnny Buzinski's got experience dealing with these kinds of problems all over the world. We've been getting a lot of phone calls about this, and Johnny's here to answer any questions anyone ever has. We're going to continue to report on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. But if you have any questions, give us a call here or go to our website at corlessbarfield.com. Be well.
Thanks.